Okay, May, let's go na. Ganun pa tayo.
Dito tayo.
Yeah, diretso na.
Ano?
Basa eh, no?
Yeah.
Okay, may ko tayo. Oh. Hindi makapal yung sole niyan eh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sa akin makapal. Okay. We will walk probably as long as we get tired. That's when we're gonna stop walking, okay? But for the meantime, enjoy the journey throughout the Carnival Sunshine from Norfolk, Virginia to East Caribbean. The beauty of Carnival Sunshine cruise ship. Yeah, Carnival Sunshine. I like your job, very easy. Yeah, very easy job. I like it.
You are from Philippines?
You're Philippine, yeah. From Manila. Where are you from?
From Bali.
Bali, Malaysia?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been there to Malaysia. Sabah. Sabah, Malaysia.
Oh, Sabah.
Yeah, what's your name? I'm going to be on YouTube.
I'm Mustika.
Mustika from
Malaysia.
From Malaysia. Hello to. Shout out to Malaysia. This is Sabah, May, Philippine, Manila.
Where is you live here? US?
Huh? Yeah, me, America.
American?
We live in America. 45 years. Yeah, you go there to America.
You become, what they call this one, like your
Me retired Marine.
Marine?
Marine, yeah, be bye. Okay, bye bye.
Pacquiao, bye,
Yeah,
bye,
okay. Bye bye. He's from Bali, Malaysia. Nilalamig ka ba, may? Tama lang. Alam ko. Sarapan naman tayo. Tumataba ako sa kakala. Ano mo, wala dyan tao, may Kasi, ano sila? Bali, Malaysia. Hindi na sila kumukuha ng Pilipino. They don't get from the Philippines anymore. Why, most of the workers here is from Malaysia and Singapore. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, para okay, only one that's one yun. Isa pang ganun. Tapos coffee tayo. Lumalamig na, nag-aalisan na sila Saan? Yeah. May wait. Mag-ano yung pa ako? May naliligo na ha? Okay. Excuse me, senyor. May ay mo doon sa may smoke? Man, let's go upstairs, man. One more. Huh? Okay, let's go. 2, 3. Okay, gonna go up to the 12 deck. What's that? May. Ito pala ang walking eh. Yeah. Walking to. Let's start.
Reverse tayo.
No, reverse. Go. Stay on the left side, man. Good morning. Ay, ang dami palang game dito ah. Ha? Ang daming chess oh. Ay, umakit ka ba dito? Kaya naman pala masaya ang carnival eh. Ha? Daming activity. Ito.
And then we are going to get that parade started, parade through deck 4 and into the Liquid Lounge for our story time reading today. So make sure you come out and see our favorite Dr. Seuss characters. The fun shops are now open. You can beat the prices back on land and save on our already low tax and duty-free prices. And experience the Fast and Furious fitting at our live art auction today. It's going to be in the Sunset Restaurant, Deck 3 at the front of the ship at 12:30 and registration starts at 12. So come for 90 minutes of fun you will never forget. Plus, you can see the gift or just attending.
Ito na pinaka-12. This is
Now,
12 deck.
I will see you all throughout the ship, whatever you choose to do
Wow,
today.
ang ganda ng exercise natin.
And I will see you soon.
Isa pa lang yan, ha? One pa lang. Kukurukuku. Dahan.
Dalawa sa'yo, Dad.
Ang bilis mo.
Wala kang sampo.
Nawawala ang sakit eh. Nataka ko eh. Hindi ba ang panglaban ko sa pain, yung walking ko? Yung isa, naglalakad pa lang sila. Pain, no pain. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. May what? Wala pang naliligo? Pero may look, maliligo ka muna dyan bago ka umakit dyan. May kung makulong ka dyan sa loob, ay ayoko dyan, May. Yeah, pero pag nakulong ka dyan, May, you're done. May. Wow. Splash zone. Twister Speedway. Uy, naku na oh. May alam mo, malamig pa eh. Pag mainit yan, daming bata. Oh, May, wait. Ikaw mo.
May hangin.